SyndBuddy 2.0 is a system based on real people syndicating and socially interacting with each other's content, which is 100% natural and the reason that Google eats it up. You already know that getting page 1 rankings is one of the best ways to get free targeted traffic, right? Ranking your video or your website on the first page of Google will always get you the best quality traffic ever. Benefits: gets you real views, social shares and social signals to your sites and videos almost immediately. Rank your sites and videos at the top of Google in days. Get more free buyer traffic forever, effortlessly. Enjoy extra sales, subscribers and fans with your page 1 rankings. Like and bookmark your content all over the web. Automatic credit-based system. We've built SyndBuddy on a powerful, credit-based system. This allows you to get real views from real people, which is the key to ranking on YouTube and Google. When you get real views from different locations around the world and from different IP addresses, Google takes notice and your rankings increase. Real Google +1s. Because +1s are essential to get organic traffic from Google and YouTube, we've built this right into SyndBuddy's platform. This gives you the ability to legally use Google's own social network against them to claim all the page 1 rankings you'd like. Real Twitter tweets. Sharing is key to ranking and organic growth. And we've all heard about the power of Twitter when it comes to getting social syndication and backlinks. Now you can get tons of real tweets from an army of people, which will affect your social presence immediately, and I think you guessed it. Your rankings increase. Real Facebook likes and shares. Most people don't know about Google's social algorithm. It places a lot of weight on social media shares when it comes to rankings. When you get hundreds of these shares quickly, you'll get hordes of views with more ease than you ever imagined. Real social bookmarks. Social bookmarks is one of the most powerful types of syndication you can employ in your rankings campaigns. Bookmarking your own site on your own account is already powerful enough. But when you have an army of people bookmarking your URLs on their accounts as well, that just puts your campaigns on steroids. You'll be getting bookmarks from authority sites like Diigo, Plurk, KiwiBox, Medium, Skyrock and many more. Real Web 2.0 syndication. If getting all of the above-mentioned social interaction on your URLs hasn't excited you enough, we still have more. You'll also be able to get an army of people posting your content and linking to your sites from all the top Web 2.0 sites like WordPress.com, Tumblr, Blogger, Instapaper, Joomla, and many more. It's like having access to a powerful Web 2.0 private blog network. Real video views. SyndBuddy also comes built-in with some powerful video boosting features. You'll be able to get real views to your videos from people all over the world, logged into multiple different accounts, all on different IP addresses. You'll have an army of people just waiting to watch your videos and give them the boost they need. Universal access. With SyndBuddy's web-based portal, you don't need to download anything, and you don't need any special equipment. Just log in on any internet device with your user ID and prepare for your websites and videos to get massive social interaction and shares. Step-by-step training. Get full training on how to use SyndBuddy's simple dashboard. Even an 8-year-old can run it. Training comes in step-by-step video form. World-class customer support. We have a support team dedicated to answering your questions and helping you use SyndBuddy to its fullest potential. Just email at any time, and you'll get a fast, thoughtful response dedicated to you. Limited time, no monthly fees. Grab your SyndBuddy license right now, during the grand opening period, and pay no monthly fees. Right now, one low investment gets you unrestricted access, and you'll be able to earn an unlimited amount of credits. After the grand opening expires, monthly pricing will come into effect. Full reporting of your campaigns. Not only will you be able to get a ton of shares, likes, bookmarks and syndication, we've also built in a very powerful reporting system, so you'll be able to see exactly the kind of social signals you're getting, and for social shares, you'll be able to see exact URLs of where your content is being posted. And the best part is, this offer is 100% risk-free to you. If at any point before the 30 days you feel that DFY suite is not right for you, just shoot us an email and you'll never get billed again. Heck, we'll even give you back your $1 if you'd like. I do have to warn you though, this offer is 100% optional. You can always purchase more credits inside the members area, however they'll be more than double the price than the discounted rate you're locking in today. You also have the option to earn your credits every single month, but that means you'll have to put in a little bit more work and effort and turn on auto-sharing on your account, and you can also use SyndCreator to create your social accounts for that purpose, which is a perfectly viable option. However, if you prefer to bypass both of those options and get results fast with as little work from your part as possible, I highly recommend securing this special offer. You may never see it again.